Epson L3110, How to Reset Waste Ink Pad Counter. Download for free. First step, copy the link provided on the description. Then, open Chrome or any browser. Paste the link on the address bar of the browser. Then, click Download. If you're having a problem downloading the file, you should first turn off real-time protection at your Windows security. Then, proceed to download again. Right-click on the arrow button, then select Show in Folder. First, we will move it to desktop. Right-click on the folder, then select Cut. Right-click on the desktop screen, then select Paste. Then, on the folder, right-click, move the cursor to 7-zip, then select Extract here. Then, type the password. Open the extracted folder. Select L3110 Resetter. Click OK. This will be the machine ID of your system unit. Just click OK to copy. Then, let's go back to the to folder again. Select Keygen, then select WLGen Epson L3110. Select License Manager, then click Add License. Type anything on customer and company. Then, right-click in the hardware ID, then select Paste. And click Save. You can see that the license was created. Then, create license key, then click OK. Now, close the license manager and the key generator. Click the folder you created. Then, select all. Right-click and copy. Now, let's go back to L3110 Resetter folder. Right-click, then paste. Select Copy and Replace for all the 4 conflicts. And then open the ADJ prog. Click Select. Drop down to port, you must select L3110. For now, I don't have the printer, so I will just select Auto Selection. Click the particular adjustment mode, then select Waste Ink Pad Counter. Check the boxes, then select Check to check the main pad counter and the flatten pad counter if it exceeds. After that, check the boxes again and then select Initialize. When the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. So you must turn off the printer, then turn on again. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe.